Gold prices are lower after a slew of data came out Thursday morning. We have Jim Wyckoff with us now. Jim, thanks for joining me today.
Good morning, Alex. Always nice to be with you.
So, Jim, looking at the slew of data that came out this morning, U.S. economic data, gold didn't really react, just a range of losses throughout the morning. What did you make of it?
You know, Alex, as we've seen recently, it's a mixed bag of U.S. economic data. Some data favors the monetary policy hawk, some data favors the doves, and it's just kind of, the gold market just kind of overlooks that. And I guess, the next FOMC meeting will be the next big benchmark for precious metals traders.
Right, now touching on the Fed minutes from yesterday, I guess somewhat anticipated to see if June was still in play. Seems like it's not, but September might still be.
Right, no big news there. Gold did move a couple bucks higher in the aftermath of the minutes, but once again, I think the gold and silver markets are just really focused on the timing of the next Fed rate hike, and looks like it's going to come in September at the earliest, if that time.
Now, looking at U.S. dollar, we saw a resurgence this week. Tuesday was a particularly bad day for the U.S., good day for the U.S. dollar, bad day for gold prices. Do you see this sort of continuing with the U.S. dollar, the strength that we're seeing?
Yeah, the resurgence of the dollar index this week, Alex, has really been a feature in the marketplace. It's been a negative underlying factor for the entire raw commodity sector. And what's important is that Friday, the price action in the dollar index could determine the tenor of the raw commodity sector for the coming weeks or longer. If we close the U.S. dollar index on Friday at or near the weekly high close, that is going to be an indication that the dollar index had recently just experienced a downside correction in a longer-term price uptrend, and that price uptrend will probably continue, and that's going to be a major bearish underlying factor for the raw commodity sector.
All right, Jim, with all that in mind, what do you have for your Wyckoff market ratings this week for gold and silver?
Alex, I'm giving gold a Wyckoff market rating of 3 this week, still in the bearish camp by a good margin. We've got, for June gold futures, we've got resistance at this week's high of 1232, solid technical support at 1190. Looking at July silver futures, I'm giving it a Wyckoff market rating of 5. Earlier this week, it was a 6, which was into the bullish camp, but the sell-off we saw at midweek puts the bulls and the bears back on a level near-term technical playing field, so I'm giving that a Wyckoff market rating of 5 for July silver. We've got resistance at this week's high of 1777, solid support at 1650.
Now, Jim, before I let you go, there's a bit of news to discuss. You have some exclusive content that you're going to be putting together for Kitco News and newsletter subscribers. Can you explain a bit of it?
Right, Alex, I put together a little educational package for the beginning trader and investor regarding gold, looking at some key market factors, some technical indicators, and it'll be a valuable tool for not only the beginning traders and investors, but also maybe a refresher for those more experienced too.
Thanks for that, Jim. Looking forward to it. Now remember, this content is exclusive to newsletter subscribers only, so if you're interested, be sure to sign up at the link below. Have a good one.